This FITCAMX DZ dash camera integrates into compatible Honda Pilot and Passport models so cleanly that it looks like original factory equipment and does not clutter the windshield. The front camera records in ultra-high resolution while the rear unit captures clear full high-definition footage, and the wide aperture lens with wide dynamic range handles night driving and tricky lighting surprisingly well. Built-in wireless connectivity and the companion application make it straightforward to review clips on a phone or computer without dealing with cables or complicated menus. Continuous loop recording, combined with an impact sensing lock, means everyday driving is captured while important collision footage is automatically preserved instead of overwritten. The included high-capacity memory card and support for even larger storage give plenty of room for long trips before any old files are cycled out. Sturdy, heat-resistant construction and manufacturer-backed technical support make this a reassuring long-term upgrade for drivers who want discreet, always-on video coverage.